Our industry-aligned MSc programs are designed to help you achieve both immediate career impact and long-term professional success by developing a specialized skill set and an international perspective that companies demand. You will maximize your employability by developing your knowledge in a specific business area. These are one-year, full-time programs with several start dates, and you will earn a UK state-recognised degree from London Metropolitan University.
At London Metropolitan University in the UK, we believe in an experiential, collaborative learning approach that deeply aligns with EU Business School's vision.
You will have personalised support from your academic counsellor throughout your studies. You will join a student community of more than 130 nationalities, giving you a global mindset and the opportunity to exchange your knowledge and experiences with peers from all over the world.
Our MSc programs build knowledge, expertise, and connections for your careers. You will learn from an outstanding faculty of academics, professionals, and entrepreneurs from across the world who bring their professional expertise to effectively teach classroom theory. Our innovative hands-on learning approach builds on your existing knowledge and experience through business simulations, guest speakers, company visits, and more. You will interact with globally renowned business leaders through our flagship Learning from Leaders conferences, gaining privileged insights from some of the most renowned CEOs of the world's biggest companies.
At Career Services, we are focused on your personal and professional development. Our dedicated team offers personalized guidance, coaching sessions, and access to exclusive events, including guest speakers, networking sessions, and employability fairs. Tap into a powerful global network of over 30,000 alumni for mentorship and international opportunities.
If you want an innovative business program that helps you achieve your career goals by strengthening your skills in a specific business area and expanding your international network, these MSc programs are for you. Come and join us.